Management of medication. Introduction. The standard encourage integration of the pharmacy into everyday functioning of hospital and patient care. The process includes policies and procedures that guide the availability of medicines, safe storage, safe prescription, safe dispensing, and safe administration of medication. Main focus points of Management of Medication chapter. The pharmacy should guide the audit medication processes. The pharmacy should have oversight of all medications stocked out of the pharmacy. The pharmacy should ensure correct storage as regards to temperature or storage area, lightning level of pharmacy area, look-alike drugs, sound-alike drugs, expiry date of drugs, maintenance of documentation of pharmacy services. Every high-risk medication order should be verified by an appropriate person so as to ensure accuracy of the dose, frequency, and route of administration. The process also includes monitoring of patients after administration and procedures for reporting and analyzing medication errors. Number 1. Policies and procedures guide the organization of pharmacy services and usage of medication. There is a documented policy and procedure for pharmacy services and medication usage. This comply with the applicable laws and regulations like Drugs and Cosmetic Act, Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Drugs Acts, etc. The policy shall address the issues related to storage, formulary, prescriptions, dispensing, administration, monitoring, and use of medications. A multidisciplinary committee guides the formation and implementation of these policy and procedures. Objective elements. Commitment. Pharmacy services and medication usage are implemented following written guidance. Commitment. A multidisciplinary committee guides the formulation and implementation of pharmacy services and medication usage. Excellence. There is a mechanism in place to facilitate the multidisciplinary committee to monitor literature reviews and best practice information on medication management and use the information to update medication management processes. Commitment. There is a procedure to obtain medication when the pharmacy is closed. Commitment. The organization has a mechanism to inform relevant staff of key changes in pharmacy services and medication usage to ensure uninterrupted and safe care. Number 2. There is a hospital formulary. A list of medication appropriate for the patients and as per the scope of services. The list of medication is developed by the Management of Medication Committee. The formulary could be prepared keeping in mind the ABC analysis. The formulary could be prepared keeping in mind the National List of Essential Medications and World Health Organization Model List of Essential Medicines. Note. Please note that implants also come under drugs. The list is reviewed and updated by Management of Medicines Committee. The formulary is available for clinician to refer and adhere to, and the organization shall ensure that the prescriptions are as per the formulary. The formulary could be available in either physical or electronic form. The hospital could look at the possibility of having specialty-wise formulary. There is a defined process for acquisition of these medications. The process should address the issue of vendor selection, vendor evaluation, recorder levels, indenting process, generation of purchase order and receipt of goods, managing stocks out due to various reasons. It shall monitor the frequency of prescriptions being rejected because it contained non-formulary drugs. Local purchase, which takes care of immediate requirement in case of drugs not listed in formulary. Objective elements. Core. A list of medications appropriate for the patients and as per the scope of the organization clinical services is developed collaboratively by the multidisciplinary committee. Commitment. The list is reviewed and updated collaboratively by the multidisciplinary committee at least annually. Commitment. The current formulary is available for clinicians to refer to. Excellence. The clinicians adhere to the current formulary. Commitment. The organization adheres to the procedure for the acquisition of formulary medications. Commitment. The organization adheres to the procedure to obtain medications not listed in the formulary. Policies and procedures exist for storage of medication. Documented policies and procedures exist for storage of medication, and these address pertaining to temperature of refrigerator, lights, ventilation, preventing entry of pets or rodents. Medications are stored in a clean, safe, and secure environment. Sound inventory control practices guide storage of the medications like ABC, VED, and FIFO, etc. Medications are protected from loss or theft. Sound-alike and look-alike medications are stored separately. There is a method to obtain medication when the pharmacy is closed. Emergency medications are available all the time. Objective elements. Core. Medications are stored in a clean, safe, and secure environment and incorporating the manufacturer's recommendations. Commitment. Sound inventory control practices guide storage of the medications throughout the organizations. Core. The organization defines a list of high-risk medications. Achievement. High-risk medications are stored in areas of the organization where it is clinically necessary. Core. High-risk medication including look-alike, sound-alike medications and different concentrations of the same medications are stored physically apart from each other. Commitment. The list of emergency medications is defined and is stored uniformly. Core. Emergency medications are available all the time and are replenished promptly when used. Policies and procedures exist for safe prescription of medications. Documented policy and procedures exist for safe prescription of medication. The organization determines who can write orders. Orders are written in a uniform location in the medical records. Medication orders should be clear, legible, dated, timed, named and signed. Known drug allergies are ascertained before prescribing. Medication order contain the name of the medicine, route of administration, dose to be administered and frequency or time of administration. Policy on verbal orders is documented and implemented. The organization defines a list of high-risk medication. High-risk medication orders are verified prior to dispensing. Objective elements. Commitment. Medication prescription is in consonance with good practices or guidelines for the rational prescription of medication. Core. The organization adheres to the determined minimum requirements of a prescription. Commitment. Drug allergies and previous adverse drug reactions are ascertained before prescribing. Excellence. The organization has a mechanism to assist the clinician in prescribing appropriate medication. Core. Implementation of verbal orders ensures safe medication management practices. Achievement. Audit of medication, orders or prescription is carried out to check for safe and rational prescription of medication. Achievement. Corrective or preventive actions is taken based on the audit where appropriate. Core. Reconciliation of medications occurs at transition points of patient care. Policies and procedures guide the safe dispensing of medication. Documented policies and procedures guide the safe dispensing of medications with the proper checking of route and dose. The policies include a procedure for medication recall. Recall may be based on letters from regulatory authority or internal patient feedback due to quality reason. Expiry dates are checked prior to dispensing. Objective elements. Commitment. The organization ensures that only authorized personnel write orders. Commitment. Medication orders are written in a uniform location in the medical records, which also reflects the patient's name and unique identification number. Commitment. Medication orders are legible, dated, timed, and signed. Commitment. Medication order contains the name of the medicine, route of administration, strength to be administered, and frequency, time of administration. There are defined procedures for medication administration. Medications are administered by those who are permitted by law to do so, like registered doctor and nurse. Prepared medications are labeled prior to preparation of a second drug. This is commonly encountered for anesthetic drug preparation in operation theatre. Patient is identified prior to administration by patient ID number or patient's name. Medication is verified from the order prior to administration. Dosage is verified from the order prior to administration. Route is also verified from the order prior to administration. Timing is also verified from the order prior to administration. Medication administration is documented. Objective elements. Commitment. Dispensing of medications is done safely. Commitment. Medication recalls are handled effectively. Commitment. Near expiry medications are handled effectively. Core. Dispensed medications are labeled. Core. High-risk medications orders are verified before dispensing. Commitment. Return of medications to the pharmacy is addressed. Number 7. Patients are monitored after medication administrations. The purpose of monitoring is to verify that the medicine is having intended effect. In addition, this would help to MOM committee in identify near misses, medications error, adverse drug events. Hospital has to define those situations where close monitoring is required, like administration of high-risk medications and chemotherapeutic drugs. Monitoring shall be done by junior doctor and nurses. Medication changes are based on clinical response and adverse drug reactions. Objective elements. Commitment. Medications are administered by those who are permitted by law to do so. Commitment. Prepared medication is labeled before preparation of a second drug. Commitment. The patient is identified before administration. Core. Medication is verified from the medication order and physically inspected before administration. Commitment. Strength is verified from the order before administration. Commitment. The route is verified from the order before administration. Commitment. Timing is verified from the order before administration. Core. Measures to avoid catheter and tubing misconnections during medication administrations are implemented. Commitment. Medication administrations is documented. Commitment. Measures to govern patients' self-administration of medications are implemented. Commitment. Measures to govern patients' medications brought from outside the organizations are implemented. Number 8. Near misses. Medication error and adverse drug events are reported and analyzed. The hospital has to capture all near misses, medication error, and adverse drug event. The hospital shall define near misses, medication error, and adverse drug event. The Management of Medicine Committee shall define the time frame for reporting once any of this has occurred in the hospital. All these incidents are analyzed regularly by Management of Medication Committee in monthly meeting and take corrective and preventive actions. Objective elements. Commitment. Patients are monitored after medication administration. Commitment. Medications are changed where appropriate based on the monitoring. Core. The organization captures near miss, medication error, and adverse drug reaction. Commitment: near miss, medication error, and adverse drug reactions are reported within a specified time frame. Commitment: near miss, medication, error, and adverse drug reaction are collected and analyzed. Commitment: corrective or preventive actions are taken based on the analysis. Number 9. Policies and procedures guides the use of narcotic drugs and substances. These policies are in consonance with local and national regulations like Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act. A proper record is kept of the usage, administration, and disposal of these drugs. These drugs are handled by appropriate personnel in accordance with policies. Objective elements: commitment. Narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, chemotherapeutic agents, and radioactive agents are used safely. Commitment. Narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, chemotherapeutic agents, and radioactive agents are prescribed by appropriate caregivers. Commitment. Narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, chemotherapeutic agents, and radioactive agents drugs are stored securely. Commitment. Chemotherapy and radioactive agents are prepared properly and safely and administered by qualified personnel. Commitment. A proper record is kept of the usage, administration, and disposal of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, chemotherapeutic agents, and radioactive agents. Number 10. Policies and procedures guide the usage of chemotherapeutic agents. Chemotherapeutic agents is prescribed by those who have the knowledge to monitor and treat the adverse effect of the same. Chemotherapeutic agents is administered by qualified personnel. Chemotherapeutic drugs are disposed of in accordance with legal requirements. Patient and family shall educated regarding benefits or risk of chemotherapy, precautions to be taken, and possibly adverse reaction. Objective elements: commitment. Usage of the implantable prostheses and medical devices is guided by scientific criteria for each items and national or international recognized guidelines or approvals for such specific items. Commitment. The organization implements a mechanism for the usage of the implantable prostheses and medical devices. Commitment. Patient and his or her family are counseled for the usage of the implantable prostheses and medical device during precautions if any. Commitment. The batch and the serial number of the implantable prostheses and medical devices are recorded in the patient's medical record, the master logbook, and the discharge summary. Achievement. Recall of implantable prostheses and medical devices are handled effectively. Number 11. Policies and procedures govern usage of radioactive drugs. The policies and procedures are in consonance with law and regulations. This refers to AERB, Atomic Energy Regulatory Board guidelines. The policies and procedures include the safe storage, preparation, handling, distribution, and disposal of radioactive drugs. Staff, patients, and visitors are educated on safety precautions. Objective elements. Commitment. The organization adheres to the defined process for the acquisitions of medical supplies and consumables. Commitment. Medical supplies and consumables are used in a safe manner where appropriate. Commitment. Medical supplies and consumables are stored in a clean, safe and secure environment and incorporating the manufacturer's recommendations. Commitment. Sound inventory control practices guide storage of medical supplies and consumables. Commitment. There is a mechanism in place to verify the condition of medical supplies and consumables. Thank you.